Shortcut to open specific bookmark, URL in Chrome. How to enable keyboard shortcut to open specific bookmark, URL while using Chrome?
Without extensions. The only ways that I know of to open a bookmark with the keyboard are the following. Using the Bookmark Manager. Open Bookmark Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus O. 3 options. Search all bookmarks, just start typing, press Tab twice and select the desired bookmark with the arrow keys. Press Tab, select the desired folder, press Tab again and select the desired bookmark with the arrow keys. If the desired bookmark is in the bookmarks bar, press Tab twice and select the desired bookmark with the arrow keys. Press Enter. Using Customize and Control Google Chrome. Press Alt plus E or Alt plus F to open Customize and Control Google Chrome. Press B to enter bookmarks. Assuming the desired bookmark is in the bookmarks bar, select it with the arrow keys. Press Enter. Using the Omnibox. Press Ctrl plus L, Alt plus D or F6 to focus the Omnibox. Type, part of, the desired bookmark's name. When it appears in the drop-down below the Omnibox, select the desired bookmark with the arrow keys. Press Enter. With extensions. Several extensions are able to do this. The easiest way is probably a user script like this one. To use it, do the following. Modify the array bookmarks to suit your needs. All letter and number keys should work fine. Save the code as bookmarklauncher.user.js in a location of your choice. Open Chrome column//extensions/ in Google Chrome. Drag and drop bookmarklauncher.user.js in the Open tab. Click Add. Note that no extension can function in tabs opening Chrome column//. This includes New Tab, or the Chrome Web Store. In any other tab, after reloading it, pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus S will open Super User in a new tab. Note that you have to be focusing the tab itself. If you're focusing, for example, the Omnibox or the developer console, the keyboard shortcuts won't have any effect.
As reported in How to Assign a Keyboard Shortcut Key to Frequently Used Google Chrome Bookmarks, the key is to set the specific URL to a default search engine. Open Chrome column//settings/search engines to load the list of search engines. In other search engines, add a new one with the following parameters. Search engine, the name you give to the search engine. Keyword, the keyword you want, say Sue. URL with %s in place of query, http://superuser.com/ alone if you want the alias to point directly to the site. After saving it, Whenever you type SU in your URL bar, you will be either sent to http://superuser.com/ or to http://superuser.com/ blah. You can also specify a placeholder %s when filling the URL with %s in place of query field, say, http://superuser.com/%s. Then, when you type su tab plus blah, it will send you to http://superuser.com/blah. This is the current behavior for Google Chrome 79.
Another approach is to move focus to the URL bar with +L. Type the full name of the bookmark followed by a slash. Press Tab to select the second auto-completion, which in my experience is always the first matching bookmark name. Press Enter.
Note, shortcut is defined as one key combination. Most of the other answers do require more typing. Solution A. Auto hotkey. Use auto hotkey and define your own shortcuts for your main bookmarks. Here is a script that I prepared as a dummy for you, Chrome bookmarks shortcuts.arc. For instance, hold Shift-Win and hit G to open gmail.com. Solution B. Chrome extension, site launcher, speed dial. It helps to a certain extent, however, you can only assign one letter to a bookmark, not two or more. Solution C. Chrome extension, Shortkeys, custom keyboard shortcuts. This extension can handle one letter or combinations to open assigned bookmarks. The only problem, you cannot enter those combinations in the URL bar. My workaround, Ctrl+T for new tab, then combination. However, both extensions feel a bit buggy. Solution D, using Chrome's custom search engine, Hack. This solution does not need any plugin or extra software. This URL, thumbs up. Shortcuts in Firefox. To recall how the bookmark properties look like in Firefox and how easily you can assign a keyword, shortcut, to it. In Firefox, now entering MP in the URL bar opened the specific website. As you can read in the net, Chrome does not have this simple feature and uses the search engine section for this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.